So we've just installed an EZ Kayak Launch for one of our customers, and we're going to show you how we did it. As usual, access to the water wasn't great, so we got the van as close as we could and lifted the sections off. We then joined the two sections together, which is easy to do on land before pushing it into the water. We then measured up the kayak launch to the customer's existing pontoon and then connected the pontoons together using these brackets. These brackets are very adaptable, so we can attach pontoons to various other structures as well for anyone watching that might be interested. Once attached, we reinstated the timber decking and gave it a clean. The customer now has a brilliant bit of kit that allows people to get in and out of the water very easily. The launch is designed to work with a wide variation of kayaks and has handholds to easily pull yourself on and off. We then gave it a test run, and as you can see, it works perfectly. Please contact us if you're interested in this kayak launch or any other water access products, and please remember to give this video a like and follow us for some more.